Did you know? The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and a testament to the power of ancient civilizations. Built over 4,500 years ago, this architectural marvel has stood the test of time, showcasing the incredible skills and knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramid was originally built as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu and was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Imagine the dedication and effort it took to construct such a monumental structure without the modern tools and technology we have today. Today we can bring a touch of that ancient magic into our homes with a fun and easy DIY project, building our own mini pyramid. This project not only allows us to appreciate the grandeur of the Great Pyramid, but also gives us a hands-on experience of the construction process, albeit on a much smaller scale. By engaging in this activity, we can gain a deeper understanding of the techniques and materials used by the ancient Egyptians. This project is perfect for history buffs, craft enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a creative and rewarding activity. Whether you're a parent looking for an educational project to do with your kids, a teacher wanting to bring history to life in the classroom, or simply someone who enjoys crafting, building a mini pyramid can be a fun and enlightening experience. It's a great way to spend quality time with family and friends while learning about one of the most fascinating periods in human history. The best part? You can create your own miniature pyramid using simple materials you probably already have around the house. Let's get started. All you need are some cardboard, glue, scissors, and a bit of paint to decorate your pyramid. You can even add some sand or small stones to give it a more authentic look. Start by cutting out 4 triangular pieces of cardboard for the sides and a square piece for the base. Glue the sides together to form the pyramid shape and attach them to the base. Once the glue is dry, you can paint and decorate your pyramid to make it look like the real thing. This project not only helps you learn about ancient history, but also encourages creativity and problem-solving skills. So gather your materials, roll up your sleeves, and embark on a journey back in time to the age of the pharaohs. Happy crafting! Before we embark on our pyramid building adventure, let's gather our tools and materials. This is the first and most crucial step in ensuring our project goes smoothly. Having everything you need at your fingertips will make the process enjoyable and efficient. So, let's dive into what you'll need to create your very own miniature pyramid masterpiece. Don't worry, you won't need any chisels or heavy stones. Unlike the ancient Egyptians who had to move massive blocks of limestone and granite, our project is much simpler and more fun. We're going to use items you probably already have at home, making this a perfect weekend project for all ages. We'll be using everyday household items to construct our miniature marvel. Here's what you'll need. First, let's start with the basics. Cardboard, an old cereal box or shipping box will work perfectly. Cardboard is sturdy, yet easy to cut and shape, making it an ideal material for our pyramid. You can use any type of cardboard you have on hand, whether it's from a cereal box, a shipping box, or even an old shoe box. The key is to ensure it's clean and free of any food residue or other contaminants. A ruler for measuring and ensuring our pyramid is perfectly proportioned. Precision is important in this project as it will help your pyramid look more authentic and professional. A standard 12-inch ruler will work just fine, but if you have a longer one, that's even better. Make sure to measure twice and cut once to avoid any mistakes. Scissors to carefully cut our cardboard into the required shapes. A good pair of sharp scissors will make this task much easier. If you have a craft knife or box cutter, those can also be useful for more precise cuts. Just be sure to use them safely and always cut away from your body. Tape, masking tape or clear tape, whichever you prefer, to secure our pyramid together. Tape is essential for holding the pieces of your pyramid in place while you work. Masking tape is great because it's easy to tear and reposition, but clear tape can give a cleaner look. You might also want to have some glue on hand for extra stability, a pencil or pen for marking our measurements and design. This will help you keep track of where to cut and fold your cardboard. A pencil is great for making light, erasable marks, while a pen can be useful for more permanent lines. You might also want to have a marker for bolder lines that are easier to see. Decorations, this is where you can get creative. Think about how you want your pyramid to look. Do you want it to be a realistic replica of an ancient Egyptian pyramid, or do you want to add your own unique twist? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Markers, paint, glitter, colored paper. Let your imagination run wild. These items will help you bring your pyramid to life. You can use markers to draw hieroglyphics, paint to add color and texture, glitter to make it sparkle, and colored paper to create additional details. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The goal is to have fun and create something you're proud of. And there you have it. With these simple materials, you're ready to start building your very own pyramid. Gather everything you need, set up your workspace, and get ready to embark on a fun and creative journey. Happy building! Every great pyramid needs a strong foundation, and ours is no exception. Start by taking your cardboard and, using your ruler and pencil, carefully measure and mark a square. This will be the base of your pyramid. The size of the square will determine the size of your finished pyramid. For a tabletop pyramid, a square with sides of 6 to 8 inches is a good starting point. Once you've marked your square, carefully cut it out with your scissors. This square is the first step to your very own ancient wonder. Now it's time to create the iconic triangular sides of our pyramid. This is a crucial step in our project, as these triangles will form the sloping sides of the pyramid, giving it that classic, recognizable shape. You'll need 4 of these triangles in total, all the same size. Each triangle will be identical to ensure that the sides of the pyramid fit together perfectly. Consistency is key here, so take your time to measure and cut accurately. Using your ruler and pencil again, draw a straight line on your cardboard that is the same length as one side of your square base. This line will serve as the base of your triangle. Make sure the line is straight and precise, as this will affect the overall symmetry of your pyramid. From each end of this line, draw another line that meets at a point above the center of the first line. This forms your triangle. The point where these lines meet will be the apex of your triangle and, ultimately, the apex of your pyramid. Ensure that the lines are equal in length and meet at a perfect point to maintain the geometric integrity of your pyramid. Repeat this process 3 more times until you have 4 identical triangles. Each triangle should be a mirror image of the others. Lay them out side by side to check for uniformity. If any triangle is off, it could affect the final assembly of your pyramid. Carefully cut out each triangle with your scissors. Take your time with this step to ensure clean, straight edges. Any jagged or uneven cuts could make it difficult to assemble the pyramid later on. Once all 4 triangles are cut out, you can start to see the shape of your pyramid taking form. This is an exciting moment as all your careful measuring and cutting come together to create the sides of your pyramid. Now let's take a moment to review what we've done so far. We've measured and drawn 4 identical triangles, each with a base that matches the side of our square base. We've ensured that the lines are straight and meet at a perfect point to form the apex of each triangle. And finally, we've carefully cut out each triangle, making sure the edges are clean and straight. As you proceed, keep in mind that precision is key. The more accurate your measurements and cuts, the better your pyramid will look in the end. If you find that any of your triangles are not quite right, don't hesitate to start over. It's better to take the time to get it right now than to have a lopsided pyramid later on. Once you have your 4 triangles, you can start thinking about how they will fit together. Lay them out on your work surface and imagine how they will come together to form the pyramid. This will help you visualize the final product and ensure that everything is aligned correctly. In the next steps, we'll be assembling these triangles to form the sides of our pyramid. But for now, take a moment to appreciate the work you've done so far. Crafting these triangles is a significant part of the process, and you've done a great job. With these pieces ready, you're well on your way to completing your pyramid. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll bring all these pieces together to create the final structure.